In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair Obsidian and Microsoft One for maximum productivity. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to pair Obsidian and Microsoft OneNote for a productivity system that blends the best of both worlds' powerful note linking and seamless organization. Let's dive right in. First is to use OneNote for quick captures and visual notes. Take meeting notes, add screenshot, and sketch diagram quickly. Use tags and notebooks to organize different topics or projects, and then sync across devices for easy access on the go. Simply create a dedicated notebook in OneNote for all your raw notes and daily capture. Second is use Obsidian for deep work and knowledge management. Just simply export important notes from OneNote and paste them into Obsidian as markdown files. Use backlines and tags in Obsidian to connect related ideas, and then create a Zettel-scan system or personal wiki to manage long-term knowledge. Use plugins like Obsidian OneNote Exporter, like third-party tools, to automate moving notes between the apps. Third is connecting OneNote and Obsidian efficiently. Just simply copy-paste or export OneNotes in plain text for use Obsidian. Use cloud storage like OneDrive or Dropbox to keep attachments accessible for both applications. Add links to Obsidian that point directly to specific OneNote pages for quick cross-referencing. Use OneNote for flexible note-taking, visual organization, and quick access, while use Obsidian for structured knowledge management, backlinks, and deep idea connections. Pairing both gives you a full-spectrum productivity system that supports both creative brainstorming and structured thinking. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.